Good afternoon. Welcome to Fashion World. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for a casual shirt.
Certainly. Are you looking for something for everyday wear or a special occasion?
Just for everyday wear. I'd like something comfortable.
Of course. We have several new styles over here. Please follow me.
Thank you.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
How about this light blue shirt? It's one of our best selling styles.
I like the color. Do you have it in white as well?
Yes, we do. Here it is.
Both look nice. I think I'd like to try on the blue one first.
Certainly. The fitting room is just over there. How does it fit?
It fits quite well. The shoulders feel comfortable, but I think the sleeves are a little long.
Would you like to try a small size for comparison?
Yes, that's a good idea. I think the medium fits better. I'll take this one.
Excellent choice. It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is this shirt?
It's $39.99. It's currently on sale, so you'll also receive a 10% discount.
That's a good price. Does it come with a return policy?
Yes, you can return or exchange it within 30 days as long as you keep the receipt and the tags are still attached.
Great. That's good to know.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. I'd like to buy this shirt.
Certainly. Your total comes to $35.99 after the discount. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by credit card.
Please tap or insert your card. Payment approved. Here is your receipt and your shopping bag. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you very much. The service was excellent. Have a great day.
You're very welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
I'm sure you will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.